Good morning, students. We will have some more problems. The next problem is, in a class of 100 students, 35 play football, 25 play basketball, 35 play indoor games. 10 play football and basketball, 15 play basketball and indoor games, and 5 play football, basketball and indoor games. If 15 do not play any games, then find how many play football and indoor games. So you want to find out how many play football and how many play indoor games. Let us take them as ABC. So let us take A as, say, N of A and B. N of A, number of students playing football. Number of students playing football. So A is those who are playing football. So number of A means N of A means number of students playing football. First one. So how many are there? 35. Similarly, N of B, so we will denote them as number of students playing. The other one, what is that? Basketball. So that is given as 25. Next one, indoor games. So number of students playing indoor games, C. N of C and D, the number of students playing indoor games. So this is given as 35. What has given? So we will list all one by one. What else? 100 students are there. So N of U is 100. Total strength 100. Next, what else is there? So 35 play indoor games, N of is 100. 10 play football and basketball. So 10 play football and basketball. So N of A intersection B is given as 10. 10 play both. 10 play football and basketball. 15 play basketball and indoor games. So N of B intersection C. N of B intersection C is 15. Next, what else given? 5 play football, basketball and indoor games. 5 play all the three. So N of A intersection B intersection C. N of A intersection B intersection C is 5. 5 play football, basketball and indoor games. 15 do not play any games. So 15 do not play any games. So what is the meaning? So how many play games you can find out from the total minus this one. So what I know is from here 15 do not play. That means N of A union B union C whole dash, that represents 15. 15 play. 15 do not play any games. Or what is the meaning? That is N of U minus, okay, N of A union B union C equal, but N of U is known. N of U is 100. Okay. So minus. So from here you will get 100 minus. I will continue here. N of A union B union C equal to 15. Therefore, what is N of A union B union C? Equal to 85. no, 15 doesn't play. So how many students play actually? Any one of the three. So n of A in B and C is 85. So these are the data you have. What is required? How many play football and indoor games? So we'll apply the formula. So what is the formula? N of A union B union C. You know the formula. Last class we studied. We have gone through N of A plus N of B plus N of C plus N of A intersection B intersection C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of C intersection A equal to, so but N of A and B and C is known. What is that? Okay, that is equal to, we will simplify. This is the formula we are having. We will simplify, that is 85 equal to N of A is how much? 35. N of B is 45. N of C is 35 minus plus N of A into B intersection C. So common all three. So that is given as 5 plus 5 minus N of A intersection B 10. Just substitution minus N of B intersection C 15 minus N of C intersection A minus N of C intersection A. So what is required? The required thing is how many play football and indoor games. Football is A, so your C is indoor games. So what is required is N of C intersection A. N of C intersection A. This is required, so just simplify. So that is equal to, that is 85 equal to 35, 45, 80 plus 35, 115, 120 minus 25. So 95 minus N of C intersection A. Correct? Take it. 85 equal to, this is 80, 115, 120, so minus 10, 110, minus 15, 95. Okay. So 85 equal to 95 minus N of C intersection A. This is required for us, or N of C intersection A equal to 10. Let's rearrange. So whatever problems you are given, you take like A, B, C. Then use the formula. Three variables are here. I mean three sets. Number of students playing football, then basketball and indoor games. So three, A, B and C. Then the formula, main formula, N of A and B and C. N of A plus N of B plus N of C plus N of A intersection B intersection C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of C intersection A. All are known. Just identify. What are the values given? Simplify. This is the requirement. N of C intersection A. That means play football and indoor games. How many play both football and indoor games? That is 10. Next problem. Again similar type. In a class of 150 students, let's substitute the formula and simplify. In a class of 150 students, it was found that In a class of 150 students, it was found that 95 Berger and 79 pizzas Next continuation. Assuming every student like at least one of the above, find the number of students, who like both Burgers and pizzas. Show the result through Venn diagram. Show the result through Venn diagram. Same problem, but similar type problem, but we use Venn diagram also. Okay. Question I will read again. In a class of 150 students, it was found that 95 like burgers and 79 like pizzas. Assuming every student like at least one of the above, find the number of students who like both burgers and pizzas. Show the result through Venn diagram. Only two variables are here. So n of a, number of students who like burgers. Number of students who like burgers. Equal to how much? In a class of 150 students, it was found out that 95. So 95 like both. 75 burgers. And number of 39 like pizzas. Number of students who like pizzas. So same way, who like pizzas. This is given as 79. This is 79. Next, how many students are there? 150 students. Number of in a class 150 students are there. So n of u is 150. Just what are there? You consider 150. So So these are the three you know now. Next, what else? Assuming every student like at least one of the above. So n of u is 150. So n of u equal to a and b also. So also you can immediately tell because everybody likes at least one of them. So n of a and b is also 150 because everybody like at least one of them, either a or b, either Berger or Pizzas. Find the number of students. Okay, assuming every student like at least one of the above. Find the number of students who like both Berger and Pizzas. So what is required? You require n of a intersection b. That's all. N of u known, n of a union b known, n of a known, n of b known. Direct. So let us write about two variables. So we have the formula now. N of a union b. Okay, n of a union b equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. So only this is required, or n of a intersection b means that is number of students who like both. Number of students who like both. Who like both. Both means Berger and Pizzas. Equal to n of a intersection b. Equal to rearrange formula. Again, this goes that side, that goes to the other side, right hand side. Equal to n of a plus n of b. N of a plus n of b minus n of a union b. That's all. Simplify. So what are you write it. So equal to n of a given 95 plus n of b 79 minus n of a intersection b calculated required n of u a union b 150 total number of students. So calculate 174 minus 150. I think it is 24. 95 plus 79. 174 minus 150, correct? Equal to 24. So these are the number of students who like both. Over. Now what is one more asked? Show the result through Venn diagram. So Venn diagram you have to draw. Venn diagram. Venn diagram you just also give now. So this is n of u. So u covers everything. I mean actually a and b only. So this is no element here. So this is the element. Okay. Here how many elements are there? This is a set A. This is set B. Next. What is n of a intersection b? N of a intersection b is 24. So this is 24 elements are here. Number is 24. Okay, this is 24. 24. 24. This is 24. Okay. What about here? Here total A is how much? N of A is 95. So 95 minus 24, that is 71. Here 71. Total 95. 21 plus 24, 95. Here again. What about the other one? Numbers like this are 79. So already 24 here. So 79 means 55. So 71 intersection 24 common 55. So total number of like Berger's 71 plus 24, that is 95. Those who like Pizzas 55 plus 24, that is 79. This how you can draw Venn diagram. So A, B. Set A and B. So A represents those who like virgin. B represents those who like pizzas. So this is A union B. Here no element is present. It's empty, nothing. Because all cover, it covers everything. Next one. Next problem. In a certain college, with 500 students, with 500 students, with 500 students, three hundred take milk. 300 take milk. And 250 take tea and 250 take tea. Find how many take. Find how many take A milk only, milk only. B tea only, tea only. C both milk and tea, both milk and tea, milk and tea. Same way, so when we do a general formula N of A union B, that formula will apply. Simple one. So let us find out answer. So let me read the question. In a certain college with 500 students, 300 take milk and 250 take tea. Find how many like. We will take milk only, tea only, both milk and tea. Again, here we assume that students like at least one of those, either tea or coffee. That we will assume. So N of A is 500. Okay, N of A is number of students who will take milk. Number of students take milk. Who take milk. Next, N of B. Number of students who take tea. So some students take milk. Tea. Okay, so you know N of A total students either N of A union B now. N of U is 500. N of A union B will assume that I will take tea or coffee. Tea or milk. N of u is N of a union b is 500. But again formula is there. It is 500 equal to, this is equal to N of a plus formula. Okay, I'll write the formula first. Now N of a union b equal to N of u is N of a union b equal to N of a plus N of b minus N of a intersection b. What is required? And how many? Okay, we'll find out one by one. Take milk only, tea only, both milk and tea. Actually, N of a intersection b means both milk and tea. Actually, we'll complete the first part. C first, because that is direct first. Now, because N of a and b is, that is N of a and b is 500. 500 equal to N of a is known. N of a is 300 plus 250. Other one also known. That is how much? N of a is 300 here. This is next one is 250 here. So this is 250 minus N of a intersection b. So what is N of a intersection b? Therefore N of a intersection b, rearrange and calculate. It's equal to 550 minus 500. 550 minus 500 equal to 50. That is N of a intersection b. N of a intersection b. So common, that is part C is actually we have complete both milk and tea. Okay. Number of students, I mean those who take both. This we will calculate first actually. Next we will calculate the other two. Milk only. Milk only is what? That is N of a minus b. Now milk only. Number of students who take milk only. Students who take, number of students who take milk only, take milk only. That means they will take milk, but they don't take what? They will take milk, they won't take tea. So how it is? It is like this. N of a minus b. They take milk, but they don't take tea. Or other way of writing is N of a minus N of a intersection b. How it works? So they should take milk, but they should not take both. N of a intersection b means what? They take both. N of a means they take only milk. So if you remove the part, take both means what? Only remaining is they will take only one part. I am removing the common one. Number of students will take both. Number of students will take milk and tea I am removing. Okay. Together they take both. That I am removing means what? They will take only A. That is number of milk. This is how it is done. Equal to N of A is given 300 minus 50. 300 minus 50 to 50. Similarly, the other one, number of students, last part, number of students who take T only, same method. T only equal to, so what is this? This is equal to N of B minus A. N of B minus A equal to N of B. From it, remove the common. From this, remove the common. That is again N of A intersection B. A intersection B means common. So those who take both, those should be removed. That means what? They will be taking only the second one, that is T. So this is equal to again 250 minus 50. 200. This is how it is done. See, here you have to understand the concept. N of A minus B. That means they take one of them A but not B. So remove. How to remove? N of A minus N of A intersection B. So they will take milk. First one say milk, but they should not take both. If they are taking both means what? They take tea also, no? If they are taking both means they take milk as well as tea. So remove those people. So what is the meaning? So remaining means they will take only milk. Same way here. Tea only means what? N of B minus A. They should take tea, but they should not take both. That means what? They will be taking tea only. If you remove both. So some students may take both. So remove them. So that means what? Remaining, they take only the second one, and tea. This is how it is done. Okay, I will stop here. So again, go through all this. Work out, just do it yourself. Always you can use Venn diagram in all these problems and simplify just to confirm the result. Try to draw Venn diagram wherever possible and complete. Okay. So we will continue in the next class. Thank you.